Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm installing something sleek, smart, and pretty cool. It's the HALODISC 2 wheel covers from HALOBLK. They're just not any ordinary wheel cover, it's the one that just covers the whole wheel. Makes it aerodynamic, ultra light, and it's apparently built to boost the performance and the style of the car. So stick around and watch the install.
Gotta figure that out. Instructions. Amazing. Gotta screw something in.
So when you place the cap over the wheel itself, make sure it's aligned, and then you insert that middle section and tighten it. Locks it in. Then one last touch with an Allen screw, and then the cap over that. Clean, simple, beautiful. And again with the back wheel. Much easier the second time around. I don't think this would be easy to remove or steal, but I do recommend keeping all the parts with you in your frunk so that if there is an emergency and you need to remove it, you have all the things you need. And that's a wrap on the HALODISC 2 install. Super easy, looks stealthy, looks smooth, very Aero. Definitely check these out. I'll put the link in details down below. Thanks to our friends at HALOBLK for sending this through. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.